Hi, my name is Vishal and I have been practicing digital e-commerce since 2017. It is the way through which I have created my financial freedom, and today I want to share the whole knowledge with you. और आपको ये सीरीज में बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है, just because you will literally get the ideas how I got my financial freedom, and today I am able to spend time with my family. I can enjoy my life and still while sleeping I can earn the money. और उसमें जो एफर्ट लगने वाला है वो एक ही टाइम का लगने वाला है, उसके बाद आपको लाइफ टाइम अर्निंग होती ही रहेगी, थैंक्स टू द टेक्नोलॉजी थ्रू विच वी कैन लाइक रिसीव द पेमेंट्स फ्रॉम एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड. वी कैन कनेक्ट विथ एनी कस्टमर्स इन द वर्ल्ड. सो इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. So by this business model you will get flexibility and the freedom to work from anywhere and anytime. आपको ये नहीं सोचना पड़ेगा कि लाइक आज पर्टिकुलर ये मुझे हर्डल आ रहा है तो मैं काम नहीं कर पाऊंगा. डोंट वरी, यू कैन स्किप द वर्क, स्टिल यू विल बी एबल टू अर्न द मनी. सो डिजिटल ई कॉमर्स इज काइंड ऑफ अ बिजनेस आइडिया which provides you the total flexibility and scalability to like scale your business at any level you. So without any further ado, let's discuss the ideas which you can literally apply to create and sell digital products. The first idea is you can create your own ebooks and sell on the Kindle as well as on your profile. आपको पता है कि Kindle is a platform provided by Amazon to sell ebooks. तो उसमें क्या होगा कि आपको मिडल मैन की फीस, मतलब कि अमेजोन की जो सेलिंग फीस है वो आपको पे करनी पड़ेगी. सो टू अवॉइड इट व्हाट आई डू इज आई सेल ई बुक्स ऑन my own website. You can write ebooks about anything. I mean, you have some knowledge, you have some skills which you want to share with the world. Just write it down in an ebook and just put it for the selling, and the rest of the thing will be done by the platforms itself. Second way is टू क्रिएट वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स. अगर आप राइटिंग में अगर वो सारा टाइम स्पेंड नहीं करना चाहते हो तो देन यू कैन क्रिएट वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स. लाइक इफ यू आर गुड एट रिकॉर्डिंग वीडियोस इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा, and even if you are not good at recording videos in camera, you can still create video courses. How? I'll tell you. So to create video courses using your camera, you just have to click the record button and start speaking about the skills you want to share with the world. So that's the first thing. The second thing is you can go to PowerPoint and make PowerPoint presentation and record the screen. You will be ready. And the third way is what you can do is if you are good at recording your voiceover, you can match that voiceover with the screen recording, and that's how you can edit the videos. So that's how you can create the whole video course about the skill you want to share with the world. एंड एक बार आपने वो क्रिएट कर लिया, उसके बाद उसकी आपको सिर्फ सेलिंग. टाइप ऑफ डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट यू कैन सेल इज वर्कशीट्स एंड टेम्पलेट्स. जब मैं टेम्पलेट की बात कर रहा हूँ तो मैं आपको याद दिलाना चाहता हूँ कि टेम्पलेट्स इज जस्ट नथिंग बट अ काइंड ऑफ फॉर्मेट विच यू want to share with the people, right? So what people can do is people can download that particular template and they can make the changes accordingly, and they can use it for their own purposes. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल मान लो कि आप अगर रेज्यूमे अच्छे से बनाना जानते हो तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन क्रिएट द रेज्यूमे टेम्पलेट इन अ वर्ड, एंड you can put all the tasting text or maybe like random text in the places, and you can well format it, and that's how you can save the whole template and you can share it with the world. That's how easy it is. Can you imagine? Fourth type of digital product is software. सॉफ्टवेयर अगर आप पर्टिकुलरली डेवलपमेंट में अच्छे हो, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट में आपकी बहुत अच्छी सी स्किल है, तो यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन सॉफ्टवेयर योर प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड यू कैन पुट इट फॉर सेलिंग ऑन मल्टीपल प्लेटफॉर्म्स without any further ado, because this is the year 2021 is year. From now on, there is no limitation in the software industry, and you can literally make tons of money while selling your softwares. And for that you just need to be good at one particular software development skill or one particular programming language. That's it. And if you are not good at developing the software, you can hire somebody to create your own software using your idea, and they will convert it into a software product and you can sell it easily. The fifth type of digital product is you can sell memberships. It's not exactly the digital product, but it is a way of sharing your content in a different levels. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप म्यूजिक टीचर है, राइट, सो म्यूजिक टीचर, एज अ म्यूजिक टीचर, इफ यू वांट टू teach the music, so what you can do is you can make 3 levels of your particular knowledge or content. So in the first level, in the beginner level, you can share the basics of singing, or basics of playing a piano. And in the mediator level, you can you can share more tutorials to your students. And in the expert level, you can literally explode them with the whole knowledge you have. And you can do it easily with the membership sites. There are so many websites which allows you to sell your membership based on your packages. The sixth digital product idea is to arrange workshops, or online webinar, or maybe a consulting call. सो एज यू नोटिस्ड, जब से लॉकडाउन हुआ तब से जूम एप्लीकेशन का क्रेज़ बहुत ही बढ़ गया है, और लोगों ने लिटरली जूम प्लेटफॉर्म का यूज़ इतना अच्छे से किया है कि दे लिटरली सेटल देयर लाइफ्स फॉर एवर, क्योंकि जूम में इतनी सारी फैसिलिटीज़ उन लोगों ने दे, हैविंग द स्मूथ स्ट्रीमिंग एक्सपीरियंस, लाइक 1-to-1 consultation call, recording the whole call. So everything, when you put it together, it becomes a kind of digital product which you can literally sell to people, and in that only your knowledge will be used. Like, you don't have to create a physical product out of it, you just have to share your knowledge and earn money. It's that. The last but not the least idea for creating digital product is done for you content. Now, what is this done for you content? Like, see, for example, there are so many people who are posting on social media daily, right? So what you can do is you can create a ready to share post about social media, or maybe about some particular category. For example, if you want to sell these particular products or this post to dentist, what you can do is you can create 100 posts which is surrounding the dentistry work. So, and you can easily approach a dentist in your area and show them the content, that okay, you have created this content which is ready to share with your name and logo on your social media platforms. So what they will do is they will pay you 15 to 20 to $25 for 100 posts. Now you can increase the number of posts and you can increase your charges. So that's how you can create done for you post, and you can easily sell them unlimited time to unlimited clients. So these are the 7 ideas. I have given you the basics ideas. In the further videos, in the future videos, we are going to discuss all of them ideas in detail. So stay tuned, keep sharing, keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you so much. Bye bye.